again. Thank you.
Sir, it's the old evil scientist alert system. It's showing innator activity on a Dr. Dooford.
Doofenshmirtz? Great googly moogly. I thought he'd given up his evil ways when we placed him as a high school science teacher. But it's too bad Monogram isn't around to see this.
Well, sir, he's gone to a better place.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna call him.
Monogram.
How've you been, sir?
Carl, I'm great. Bora really is a better place. How have you been, man?
I've been well. Guess who's just set off the innator alert?
Doofenshmirtz?
Yeah,
Just like old times. Well, tell him hi for me.
of course. Agent P. No, it's not bowling night. It's Doofenshmirtz. He's activated the innator alert system. We think he may have returned to evil.
So, I heard Isabella is off to Tri-State State.
Oh, wow, really? Huh. I haven't seen much of her this summer.
Why do parents buy such weird food? Everything's light, low, non-free, or diet.
So she's leaving?
Yes. I always thought the two of you would end up together.
I wish. I am so in the friend zone there.
You are kidding, right? You do know she had a giant crush on you for ages.
No.
Oh, come on. It was so obvious. She came over to your house every day for 11 years just to see what you were doing.
When she looked at you, her pupils actually formed little hearts. Like, I do not know how that is physically possible. She changed her eyeballs.
I don't believe it. Ferb? Well, why didn't you guys ever tell me?
We are guys. We do not talk about feelings. Did you see the new car Irving got?
Can we eat yet? I'm starving.
I'm sorry. I feel like my brain is broken. I gotta think. I'm gonna take a walk. See you guys.
Maybe it is not too late. We should try to get them together. You know, before Isabella leaves for school.
Yeah, all right.
Doofenshmirtz Incorporated.
Hey, the platypus. Is it Thursday already? Well, let me go get my shoes and my ball and then... Wait, where's your stuff? Huh? Oh, no, that's not evil, so I don't think it counts. Oh, wait a minute. Did I set off the innator alert? Oh, that is so funny. Probably scared the heck out of Commander Carl, huh? I know it can look intimidating, but there's no reason to be afraid. It isn't evil. It isn't even the innator. The innator is this gold chain. Once it's charged, I'm going to put it around my neck, and it will activate the insecurity parts of my brain and trigger a full-blown midlife crisis. Allow me to explain in song. All my friends have spray-on tans, and they're getting back together with their old rock bands. Yes, their bland old lives are now filled with spices. They're having a midlife crisis. They're all getting sports cars and new toupees, and borrowing against their IRAs. I've always had more than my share of vices, but I've never had a midlife crisis. I'm sick and tired of being out of the game. Everyone's so discontent, I wish I felt the same. It's not like my life has been a total delight, but something must be wrong, cause I feel alright. Kazoo solo! But now with my innator, I can be the same. My crisis will put all other crises to shame. I'm telling you now that it's gonna be twice as good as any big gut sucking, sports car buying, self-deluding, comb over trying, skinny jean wearing, wrinkle denying, bucket listing, gray hair dying, existential midlife crisis. So just let me get this thing charged up and we'll be on our way.